What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 products that you can utilize at home to help cure bursitis. Now, these 4 products that I'm going to show you in this video cater to a number of 4 conditions. Those conditions are shoulder bursitis, buttocks bursitis, knee bursitis, as well as elbow bursitis. But before we get into this video, I encourage you to click the like button below, and I also invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Alright, so without any further ado, let's dive on in. Alright, so the first product I have for you guys is catered to people with that shoulder pain. This product is called the Body Help Shoulder Brace Support with Pressure Pad plus Hot Cold Reusable Pack for immediate pain relief. Bag, ebook plus instructions. Best wrap for rotator cuff, dislocated AC, sprain, soreness, and bursitis. Alright, guys, so this product right here is for people who are suffering with that shoulder bursitis, that shoulder pain. Alright, guys, now this is all that the product entails. It's basically the best quality on the market. It's breathable, perforated, neoprene, wild heavy duty, Velcro, non-slip design, wider straps, universal size. So it's perfect for men, women, whether you have right or left shoulder conditions. And it can go over or under your clothes. So you can utilize it if you want to put it over your clothes or you want to put it under your clothes if you're going to head out to the office or so forth. All right, guys, and the bonus, it includes a hot pack, carry bag, ebook, instructions on how to utilize it, and it's also a 60-day money-back guarantee, so that's awesome. All right, guys, so this is how you would utilize it. You'd strap it on. Like I mentioned, one person is utilizing it without their clothing on, and the other person is. So depending on if you're going out or if you're just staying in the house, you can utilize it however you please. But either way, you can utilize this product. And so they have it on the shoulder, they have it strapped down. This is the back and the frontal view of the product. All right. This is a person outside with the product on. This is how she's putting it on. So she's sliding up the arm to the shoulder and now she's strapping it on. Let's read a little bit more about the product. All right. Looks pretty nice already. All right. So what you get, the shoulder brace with pressure pad, 1 hot cold reusable pack, FDA approved, 1 carry bag, ebook instructions. We went through all that. Provide support. New and amazing shoulder support helps to speed up healing from injury prevention, dislocated AC, labrum tear, frozen shoulder pain, sprain, soreness, bursitis, or tendonitis. It helps to improve mobility and decreases tension in muscles by providing controlled compression, stability, and warmth. Immediate pain relief. So immediate, guys. On average, it only takes 20 minutes. Only 20 minutes once the shoulder support is put on to feel the difference and bring relief. Used together with the hot cold pack, our product will have the best results to solve your pain problem and condition. All right, guys. So ultra comfortable. All right. With an anti-slip design, the compression brace with breathable neoprene prevents the wrap from slipping or sliding during physical activity and is very comfortable for all day wear. So you can wear it all day long. Fully adjustable, universal size fit, versatile strap that fits comfortably for men and women on either the left or the right shoulder. And it can be worn, like I mentioned, either under or over your clothes. So that's the first product for you guys today. It's called the Body Help Shoulder Brace. Really, really awesome product. I highly recommend it for people suffering out there with that shoulder bursitis and shoulder pain. All right, guys. So I also like to mention all these products that I'm going to show you can be found in the link in the description below. I know people don't feel like searching up all these big names and trying to spend hours trying to find these products. So I said, hey, why not make it easier for my subscribers? So if you're like one of those people watching and you're like, hey, I want to utilize this product, I want to get it, look no further, click the link in the description. I'll have individual links to every single item that I talk about in the video. All right, guys, so the second item is called the Aleo Ischial Tuberosity Bursitis Seat Cushion with 2 holes for sitting bones. So people out there suffering with that booty, that buttocks, bursitis pain, this product will be absolutely fantastic for you and it will do wonders for you guys. All right, guys, so you basically utilize this sitting down on your butt. All right, so let's read a little bit more about the product. All right, so 2 holes take pressure off the sitting bones. All right, the distance between the centers of the 2 holes is 6 inches. All right, it is designed that you measure the distance between your sitting bones to check if they align properly. Wedge-shaped design with soft cover that can be moved for easy cleaning. The foam in this cushion is very firm to provide adequate support over long periods of time. Do not purchase if you are looking for a soft kitchen. All right, guys, so if you're looking for something soft, do not purchase this. this is something that's going to be firm. It's not going to be super hard, but it's going to be firm because in order to work those muscles and to work into the buttocks area, it has to have some type of firmness. All right, guys. So this product is absolutely amazing. Over here, you can see the frequently bought together. So people usually buy multitudes of this product for different and various conditions. All right, so there's a little video. Let me see if I can play the video so I can show you how it will be
Paleo
demonstrated.
Cushions has developed a cushion to relieve the pain on your sitting bones with style and function. Made with high-quality comfort foam and covered with the softest velour cover, this cushion is wedge-shaped and has 2 holes cut out specifically to ease the tension on your sitting bones. It's especially useful for dealing with pain caused by injury or surgery. The cushion is lightweight and easy to take with you, so you can sit comfortably for all occasions. The outer covering is also conveniently removable with a velour material that is machine wash safe. Don't let your chronic sitting bone pain hold you back from living a full and active life.
All right, guys, so you have it, a wonderful video showing how people are utilizing this product. People out there suffering with butt pain, buttocks pain, those sitting bone pain, that bursitis that they're having, guys. A lot of people are struggling with this on a day-to-day basis, and a lot of people don't know it. It's a common condition, and a lot of people are suffering from it. So a lot of people are going to physical therapists. They're going to chiropractors. Not the answer. The answer to solving any condition is a thing I like to call self-physical therapy utilization. So utilize self-physical therapy tools in order to improve your condition. This is how you can utilize it every single day without having to pay someone to work on you, guys, because at the end of the day, it's you that, has to make the body improve. Someone can lead you so far, but you have to drink the water. So this product right here, the Paleo Bursitis seat condition with 2 holes, absolutely amazing. So if you're suffering out there with butt pain, I promise you, this might be the product that would do miraculous wonders for you. All right, so like I said, this product will also be in the description, as well as the Body Help shoulder brace support. And all these items that I mentioned are very, very portable. They're lightweight, and they can be carried, transferred from location to location. So you don't have to just do these at home. You can take it to the office, take it to maybe a friend's house, a buddy's house, whatever. It's a portable item. All right, guys, so the third product is called the Knee Ice Pack Wrap for Therapack. All right, hot and cold therapy, knee support brace, adjustable compression sleeve for bursitis pain relief, meniscus tear, rheumatoid arthritis, injury recovery sprains, and so on. So this is for people out there suffering with that knee pain and having that, those tight contracted knees, inflammation in the knees, and that bursitis. So this is how you utilize product. You basically strap it on, and it look like this on your knee. That's how it would sport on your knee. All right, and it provides instant relief pain for bursitis pain. So bursitis pain, if you're out there and having bursitis pain, this product right here and the knee provides instant pain relief. All right, meniscus tear, rheumatoid arthritis, injury recovery, sprains, and swelling. All right, guys. So this is the dimensions of the product in case you were wondering. The first one is 10 by 10. The other one is 10.5 by 32.5. All right, you strap it on. You can also utilize a nice cold hotter ice pack for getting rid of that swelling and those issues. All right, so let's read a little bit more about the product. All right, so about the product, solve all your knee problems. Are your knees constantly swollen or inflamed and your joints always stiff? If you answer yes, this product might be right for you. Do you suffer from rheumatoid arthritis and or other knee problems? If you answered yes, this product might be right for you. There's no need to spend a fortune on a physical therapist. I like to stress this so much. Nor take heavy medicines that can cause side effects. The Ice Pack knee brace will help your knees recover, and it will increase the joint mobility. This is a therapist-approved knee therapy device that will solve all your problems. Say goodbye to persistent pain. There are many reasons why your knee joints can be in pain. It is very likely that you have a meniscus tear, bursitis pain, or you have strained your knee too much. The cold compression knee sleeve will provide you with pain relief and help you deal with your chronic knee pain. This hot and cold therapy device is also ideal for post-surgery recovery, since it will help your knee heal faster and you will be able to walk again without suffering. Curing the pain, curing bursitis. All right, use it for both hot and cold therapy. The Therapack Ice Pack knee wrap can be used for both hot and cold therapy based on your needs. If you need it for cold therapy, All you have to do is place the ice treatment pack in the freezer for at least 90 minutes. For hot therapy, place the gel pack in the microwave. The hot and cold knee support brace will increase the blood circulation in the area around the knee and repair your hurt knee joints and muscles. The most comfortable and secure fit. Are you ready to wear TheraPack Ice Pack Knee Wrap? The adjustable straps of the knee brace will allow you to control compression level and achieve the most comfortable fit. At the same time, the knee sleeve will stay in place even if you are running or jumping. So you can be running or jumping and it will still stay intact. Stability. All right. Finally, the ice therapy knee wrap will not impede your movements. It will not slow you down since it's designed to be flexible. This knee brace will never fail you. All right, guys. And also 100% money guaranteed product right here. So this product is awesome for people who have knee pain, suffering with that knee bursitis. They had maybe a meniscus tear. They're suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, a variety of knee conditions. This product will do wonders for you. And it's only 29 bucks. Like the product has said, like you don't need to go to physical therapists and waste your money because physical therapists are going to charge you anywhere from $50 to $150 per visit. People go 2-3 times a week. Look how much money you're spending, and they're not going to get you out of there ASAP. They want to prolong your visit because that is a clientele base for their business model. What business model does a client come in and leave within a month's period? Not many businesses. All right, guys. But with these products, I like to recommend buy a variation of 3 to 4, what I like to call self-physical therapy utilization tools, and utilize them for 20 to 30 minutes every single day. Within a 1-month period, you should see a cure or you should be completely healed, rather than going to a physical therapist and spending money that you're wasting. You know what I mean? One physical therapy visit can cover all these products. And you can utilize them every single day and fix the problem yourself and not implode your pockets. So I highly recommend these products. Like I said, all of them will be in the description below. All right, the last product is for people that are suffering with that elbow bursitis. So it's the elbow support sleeve for bursitis, tendonitis, splint elbow. All right, so quick relief, get fast pain relief with less stiffness, soreness, and discomfort. Our support sleeve helps to improve circulation and heats up your core muscles. All right. Quality material. Our support splint is ergonomic, lightweight, and breathable so that it doesn't get too hot or sweaty. Quick, consistent results. For both men and women, you can always rely on our splint to deliver elbow pain relief. Reusable again and again. When you're done, you can store it away for the next time. Versatile. The elbow tendonitis brace is the best, which provide you a custom fit as elbow sleeve, light weightlifting, elbow brace, powerlifting, golfer elbow support, and a satisfaction guarantee. All right, so it's probably people suffering right there with that elbow pain, guys. It's basically like a slip-on. You just slip it on, and it's going to do wonders. Here's the size measurements right here. So they have different sizes, small, medium, large, depending on how big your arm is, your elbow is. And basically utilize product every day, guys. And what it's going to do is going to clear up some of those adhesions and get your elbow back into full recovery mode. All right, guys. So all these products that I mentioned, the elbow support sleeve, the knee ice pack wrap, the bursitis seat, and the body help shoulder brace support, all these products, whether you have shoulder pain, buttocks pain, knee pain, or elbow pain, that has to do with bursitis, guys. These products, I believe, will do wonders for you. I actually suffered with it for about a year and a half myself. I utilize these products every single day. In 1 month, I was cured of all pain. And I believe you guys can do the same. That's why I show you these products. And that's why I like to tell you guys not to waste money on physical therapists, because you're just going to be spending countless and countless and countless amounts of money. And they're going to have you there for a long period of time. When you can spend $100 on a variation of products collectively, utilize them at home, and get fixed within a month. Awesome, guys. So the answer to how to cure it is self-physical therapy with these products. All right, guys. So this concludes this video. I like to mention, once again, all these products can be found in the description. And be sure to click the like button below if you enjoyed this video. And I also invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, guys. So I hope you feel better. Hope you feel great. And hope you have a wonderful day. All right, guys. Have a good one.